Okay, amazing. I'm making money. Mm. I've been making money since morning in this business of cryptocurrency trading. I think you can see today, yesterday, last day, how much I made, the profit I have made since I ever joined this business. I joined this business in last year, November. Yeah, so now is Apple almost like I'm in 7 months now in this business. So when I'm telling you with the proof, and I tell you what I can understand and what I know. So this one said, wow, I have been hearing about this business, but how can I trust, and how do you guys do this business? Yeah, this business, we do it as a side hustle job or a side business, because I just use my phone. I come and set my coins, I go and do other work. Even if I leave this phone for the full day, the whole day, after setting my coins, it does not need me always to be on this phone monitoring my coins. Yeah, me only I come to check how many coins have sold, how much I have made, profit I have made on that day. If my coins have sold and I can set another coins, I go and do other business. So very many people, they are not yet assured that this business is legit or is real, because very many people have been scammed, very many scammers on online business. But what I can tell you, when you check around, you can see some differences between this business and scam business. I'm going to give you few differences and where you can at least know that this business is very legit. Scamming business, they will tell you to bring certain amount of money to invest. This business does not need you to have a certain amount. That is one. This business, you can join it and invest any amount of your capacity, any amount of your choice. You can start as much as little money you have or much money you have. But as a scam business, they will ask you to bring a certain amount of money to invest. Secondly, this business does not have specific profit you are going to make a day. But as a scamming business, they will tell you, once you bring certain amount, we shall give you this profit. So scamming business, they have specific profit. They tell you that you are going to make, or they are going to pay you. This business, once you set your coins, it depends on which coin have you set, at what time have you set, and how much you have invested in that coin. So this business, you can make profits according to profit you have, according to time you timed your coins. Then another thirdly, this business, on my Binance, I can withdraw my money anytime I want, how many times I want. But other businesses, they tell you, this scamming business, they tell you you have to withdraw certain amount in maybe in a day. You withdraw maybe like 2 or 1, but this business you can withdraw like 10 times. This business, you can invest, you can add capital at any time you want. So this business, that is the difference between scamming business and this business. Yeah, that's where you can know that this business is legit. When you come around and you check, they tell you that this business, they have limit of withdrawal. You know that is a scamming business. When they tell you that this business, we shall give you certain amount of profits, that's a scamming business. when they tell you that this business you must invest certain amount, they have packages of amount you have to invest. No, that is a scam business. But this business, you can put your money, the money you have, you can withdraw anytime you want, many times a day. So this business is very legit. You can do this business at your own time, in your, as long as your phone you have data or Wi-Fi and power. That is enough. And it is not necessary to be on your phone all the time. No. Once you set your coin, you can leave phone or you can go offline, and you let the robot do for you, because this robot, we pay it, we subscribe to paying it, so it does not need you to stay on phone always. Get me? So that is the little I can explain to you now, but I will keep updating and I keep giving you more information about this business of cryptocurrency trading. Just come, join and learn. Everything will be okay.